Hi, my name is Raj Patel, and here I'm going to show you my lab 3, which is calculation with DAX. So I'll talk about data first. So first of all, I got this data, which is this one here. I got this data from this website, and this is the data about sales. This is a record of sales for from all over the world, and this is a 5,000 row. Um, this is this has lots of columns. So region, country, item type, sale, channel, order priority, order date, order ID, and etc. But I really didn't need this many of data, so like I cleaned the data a little bit, whatever I needed. So here the first thing I got was region, then country, item type, sale channel, unit sold, unit price, and unit cost. So I'll show you what I did with that data. So this is the clean data now. I got this table. So, and I have made these four measures from that data, and I'll talk about measures now. So, first measure is average profit per unit. So, to get the average profit per unit, I uh, put this command, which is like average X, and then I minus the price of cost from real price, and then I got that. Then the second one is profit per unit, which is I got from by like minus unit cost by price. Then the third one I got is total profit. So which is sum X, and that is a table name there. The profit per unit. So here is the profit per unit. I use it over there, and profit per unit into unit sold. So how many unit was sold and the per unit profit. So this is the total profit which I got. And the last one shows a total revenue, so total sales. So I got that by putting a sum X, a table name, and unit price into unit sold. So these are the charts. So the first chart shows the average profit of unit by item type. Second one shows a total profit and total revenue of all items by region. The third one shows the top five region by highest revenue, and this is the whole dashboard. Also, that in Power BI now, and what I did and how I did. So here is the Power BI, and the first thing here, if I'll go in average per unit. So first I put average X. This is the table name, and then unit price minus unit cost. So that's how I got that. I click here and for a new measure, and after I put that command over there, and that made me this new section there. The second one is a profit per unit, which is a calculate in then some X, then it will gonna calculate this, like this is the table, then this is the unit price minus unit cost. So minus, so whatever is the cost and this is the price, so the minusing that will get the profit per unit. The same with total profit. I use the profit per unit, which is our new measure, and I use that to make this new measure. So, and this is from uh, profit per unit into unit sold. So I'll get the total profit. And the last one is total revenue, which is sum X. And this is table name. This is unit price into unit sold. So, however, how many units were sold into total unit price. So it will gonna give me total revenue. So here is the first chart which is showing a total profit and total revenue of all time by region. So here is a 1.81 billion in this region. Then this is Europe, which has total revenue of 1.70 billion and 0.50 billion of profit. Then total revenue in Asia was 0.92 billion, and profit was 0.28. So this is descending orders. So North America was last, and this one is average profit of unit by item type. So the first one is cosmetic, which is the highest profitable in this market. So cosmetic has a 173.87 average for profit per unit. Then the household things, and it's descending order, which is, and last one is fruit. Fruit has the lowest margin in profit. The third one shows the top five region by highest revenue. So first one is Africa, and office supply is the highest one, which they got like 0.41 billion has office supply, and this is the revenue. So office supply was the highest one which got sold. The second one is household things, which is 0.40, as same as in Asia, and the household in Asia was that on a top. In the Middle East, household was on a top. In Central America, household. In Europe and Africa, office supplies wasn't on top. So these are the five regions which has the highest revenue. And here you can see all the numbers by that. And yes, that was it. Thanks for watching the video.